Daniell Tanner is an American YouTube star and social media personality born and brought up as Daniell Tanner. She has older siblings named Branson and Allie and younger siblings named Savannah, Lizzy, Izzy and Kenyon. Her family's YouTube channel was created in July of 2015. She and her family entered into CVX Live's next big YouTuber contest in 2016. She enjoys playing basketball. She started being homeschooled in the 5th grade after getting in trouble in her classes. She is popularly known for being an important contributor to the Yaoi blogs and Tannerites family YouTube channels. Besides that, she is also notably known for being the second oldest daughter born to YouTubers Sarah and Johnny Tanner. Daniell was being homeschooled at the time the family began posting videos. She then enrolled in a traditional education program at a school in her city. Some of the most popular videos on the main channel include Baldi's Basics at Granny's Homeschool, I Granny Horror Game and Baldi's Basics in Real Life, combined and last to be found Wayne's Cute Baby Bunny, Tannerites Hide and Seek Game, Don't Open the Wrong Mystery Door meets Baldi's Basic in Real Life, and 6-year-old cut her hair off. In addition, in 2016, she and her family competed in CVX Live's next big YouTuber contest. On June 14, 2017, they launched their vlogging channel, Yaoi Vlogs. They have tens of millions of views and several 100,000 subscribers. Daniell launched her personal YouTube channel, Nelly Knows, on March 12, 2018 and released her first video the same day. She has since posted various content to her channel, including vlogs, challenges, and makeup tutorials.